Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to plant Echinacea bulbs step by step. First, select an ideal spot in your garden. Echinacea thrives in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day to produce abundant blooms. Good drainage is crucial, so amend heavy clay soils with plenty of organic material like compost. This preparation ensures your Echinacea has the best start for healthy growth and vibrant flowers. Now, let's get those Echinacea bulbs into the ground. Dig a hole that is twice as wide as your bulb and about the same depth. Position the bulb with its pointed end facing upwards, as this is where the new shoots will emerge. For optimal air circulation and growth, space your Echinacea bulbs approximately 18 to 24 inches apart. This gives them ample room to flourish into beautiful, mature plants. After planting, proper watering is key for establishment. Water your newly planted Echinacea thoroughly to help settle the soil around the bulbs and eliminate air pockets. For the first few weeks, keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged, especially if rainfall is scarce. Applying a 2-inch layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips or straw, will help retain soil moisture and keep weeds at bay, promoting strong root development. To keep your Echinacea thriving, ongoing care is simple. Deadhead spent flowers regularly to encourage more blooms throughout the season and prevent self-seeding if desired. While Echinacea is not a heavy feeder, a light application of a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring can boost growth. Every 3 to 4 years, consider dividing mature clumps to rejuvenate the plants and maintain their vigor, ensuring a spectacular display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.